Alright, yo, you see what it is. Yeah, we out here on 95, but 95. But yeah, just put in the 10% Summit Racing underdrive pulley on the front of the car. Got a brand new air filter in here. It's stock though, brand new air filter. And we got a half a tank of E85. Half 93, half E85 blend. So yeah, I'm gonna hit this thing real quick and see what it do. We're in traction off, and I get the shifter all the way over to the right, sport mode. Trying to let traffic really get on up. Check engine light is, for what I've been told, it was a like an O2 sensor or something. I don't know, but the car does have a little exhaust leak also. I think it's not at the muffler right here under where I sit, but I think it's after the muffler. At the resonators back there, you can hear it puffing a little bit, but it does have an exhaust leak, a little exhaust leak. But yeah, we're about to hit this thing real quick as soon as I come up over this hill. There's way more traffic out here than what I thought it'd be too. About y'all with this, I don't know about y'all and y'all PPVs. This is a 2011 PPV. I don't know about y'all and y'all PPV, man, but this suspension on this car, man, this thing does not feel good. I'm telling you, like, that is the next thing I'm doing to this car. Like, I got the HP tuner for it, and I'm gonna get it flashed soon. This week I'm gonna download. I'm gonna do all that with the HP tuner. I'm gonna get the car tuned for 93 and E85, stock exhaust, stock intake, and everything. But I've got to change the suspension, man. This thing does not feel good, yo. Like this car is bouncy up to speed. Like just now, like it does not feel good. The car does not feel stable at all. Like it just, I know. I guess the car is supposed to have more weight in here. You got a stiff suspension. It's supposed to have more weight in here than the weight is supposed to compensate, you know, for the stiff suspension, and everything's supposed to work out. But as of right now, like the car is bouncy. It feels like it's all over the place. It does not feel stable at all. I hate this thing. I hate the way it rides. So yeah, I gotta put a set of coilovers on this car. I'm not doing Lawrence Springs. I'm doing coilovers on here. I'm gonna go down somebody's coilovers, but I'm gonna do something like ASAP. I cannot take this anymore. But yeah, that was a pretty decent little run. Kind of ran out of room, but yeah, not bad at all.